coming. What's up? It's Supercar Blondie. I'm here in Dubai and I'm at the world's tallest hotel. I'm getting one of the most unique cars in the world delivered right here. Some people even say this car doesn't exist, but it's right in there. It is real. Wait, there it is. That was quick. This is the DEVEL 16. It's real. It's here in Dubai. And I'm going to be the first person in the world to drive the DEVEL 16. Apart from the manufacturers, I'm going to be handed the key very first. I can't believe it. We're going to take this baby out. What a gift. It's like 10,000 birthdays today. This is the most insane car I've ever seen. Never seen something with this design. Anything like this before. Okay, I've got the key. The key to the DEVEL 16. This is a big moment. Let's go in. Now this interior is going to look a little bit different once it goes onto the market next year. They're still in testing phase, but this is a fully functioning car at this point. Let's turn her on and first of all see how the DEVEL 16 sounds. Ready? Yeah. You want to go around the back so you can hear it better?
Absolutely mad.
God, that sounds so aggressive. I don't know what it sounds like back there, but
oh
inside here the whole thing is just...
Pop my ears.
My God, that is crazy. Okay, so it's going to sound a little bit more aggressive, actually a lot more aggressive once it goes to market. They're going to have 3 different versions of this car. The first one's got 2,000 horsepower with a V8 engine. The second one has got 3,000 horsepower with a V16 quad turbo engine, so 4 turbos. And then the third version is going to have 5,000 horsepower. That doesn't even compute like how that would feel to drive a car with 5,000 horsepower. A lot of the reason why the car is so long is because they need to fit in a V16 engine. They're only going to build 7 of these models per year, and this car is designed here in Dubai. We're going to meet the three brothers who own this company and who have designed this car from scratch. It's designed here, but it's going to be built, manufactured in Texas in America. A lot of this interior is going to look different from when it actually comes out. The steering wheel shape is going to be very similar to this, but it's going to look obviously quite different from how it looks right now. There are a few different features that they're going to keep. This center dash, and then once the car is turned on, you can see that this is the camera, so you can see behind the car because there's no window here. Instead of having left and right side mirrors. I've actually got a camera here to show you what's happening on the right of you, and also a camera here to show you what's happening on the left. What they want out of this is for you to feel like you're in a Rolls Royce when you're sitting inside, because it's so spacious, and then on the outside for it to look super slick. At the moment it has a test engine in it. It is fully drivable. We're going to load it back on the truck and go and test it in the desert, because here there are too many cars, you can't really test the car out.
And it's super low, right? Like,
So
you know?
low. At the moment it doesn't have a lift at the front, but they will build one in when it's ready for market.
Yeah.
Look how good it is. 4 fingers. Guinness World Record. That's pretty cool. How does that make you feel?
Very happy.
Yeah.
One achievement.
Yeah, a massive achievement.
Yeah.
And now you go from building the world's tallest hotel to starting to produce the world's most powerful
Yes.
production car.
This is what we are targeting. We have 3 brothers. I am Majid, and we have Rashid and Muhammad. So we are crazy about cars.
Yeah.
When we create the design of the car, really, the car should look like a jet fighter. This is our aim. And when we come up with the design and we create the actual car, no V8 can give you that much horsepower.
Right.
So we thought we'll create our own engine. The actual car which you can be tested, the 5000, and can be driven and seeing, it's going to be next year.
Next year.
Yeah, hopefully in February. The current car, the white car, actually it doesn't have that race engine, which is the 5000 horsepower.
The first one on the market isn't going to be the one with 2000 or 3000 horsepower. It's going to be straight to the 5000 horsepower.
Straight to the 5000 horsepower, which really can be driven. And we'll be testing the top speed, acceleration.
You mean I'll be testing the top
interesting-
speed and
yes.
acceleration?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah, can.
Can?
Yeah.
Shake on it, shake on it. It's on proof.
Oh my goodness, that is crazy though.
Yeah.
Okay.
So all the cars will be built in Texas, USA.
Yeah, do you have an indication of how much this costs?
Yeah, for the V8 version is going to start from $1.6 million, and the 3000 horsepower, which is V16 quad turbo, it is like almost like a $1.8 million. Then the 5000, $2.2 million.
2.2 mil.
Yeah.
Wow, it's like, I'm so excited. What is about to happen is we're about to take this baby out on the roads, and I am going to be the first person in the world, other than the 3 brothers, to drive this car. What? Where should I park so that we can go drive this baby?
Yeah, middle of the
Emma's here.
desert now.
By the way,
Oh, hello, Emma.
she just appeared.
By the way,
Oh,
I said, we've got the coolest car in the world. She said, I'm jumping on a flight.
I'm on a plane.
I'm on
here.
a plane. I'm here. She arrived a few hours ago, and here we are in the desert.
Lascio feeling?
Woo! 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 Get excited! No, only me? Okay.
I'm excited.
Okay, good. So we're gonna offload the car and then test it on this road. This road is amazing. I'm ready.
insane.
Jeans only.
There's no flying under the radar with this car. Okay, let's go. give it face. Let's go. Drive off into the sunset. There's two honking buttons here. I wonder what the difference is. Oh, they're both the same. Okay. Okay, peeps, let's go. In here and still drive this car. I mean, they say that the engine coming next year is going to be much louder than this. I say this amount of noise is already crazy. You can hear it so well. Screaming down there. It was so smooth. I was expecting it to be a little bit more, I mean, it's really low to the ground, which I really love because it means you can feel the road, but I thought it'd be a little bit more like rocky because it's so close to the ground, but it's actually really, really smooth. I just think it's super special to be driving something that looks so incredibly different and being a part of something that is looking to the future. You know, I always get excited about cars that are unique and that have vision and that are trying to push the boundaries and do something different, and that's what these guys are doing. And you know, you can say, oh, it's not going to happen, and be a naysayer and be a cynic about it all, but if no one actually tried to push these boundaries, we wouldn't have the cars, the incredible cars that we have on today's roads. And I just can't wait to see when this actually fully is rolled off the production line with the engine, the V16 that's going to have in it, which is crazy. And then just see how different the interior is as well when that actually comes out. But to be part of this journey and be part of the first steps towards something so great is so exciting. So I just want to say a big, big thank you to all the brothers, Rashid, Majid and Muhammad. You guys rock. Thank you so, so much. Thank you to you. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like the video right now. Give me a thumbs up, hit the thumbs up button, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We've got so, so much more cool stuff coming. It just keeps coming. It keeps coming. And that's all we have for today. We're going to watch the sunset and have the DEVEL 16 in front of the sunset as it goes down for today. And I'm just going to stand here and go, wow, what an experience. Thank you guys so much. Love you. Thanks for watching.